thickness of the side first. So bend it right exactly where I mark it and bend it down. Match it right there too. But instead of go straight over, I'm gonna turn it to the side and work on right here. Like right here, you go down. Right now, I'm right there, right? Going down. Now I can turn it around, right? So you have to think in 3D a little bit. So I keep the whole thing like that, and then when it's done, it's done. So on the side, it will be the width about this much, right? From the center to the side.